guys, it's Drew here. I'm so excited to be actually back with a new video. It feels so awkward standing in front of the camera again, but I'm super excited to be back. I actually have another unboxing video. I think my second to last video was an unboxing video, but I'm obsessed with style bundles, and this one is hefty. It's huge. It's ginormous. I'm very excited to open it. So I ordered a style bundle from a Depop seller from the UK. Her name is Syzygy. I can pronounce words. Just, here's the name right here up on the screen and their shop. I got this bundle for £55 because I got around a $5 discount for making a YouTube video. So I think that's around $70 US. So that's actually pretty affordable for style bundles, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so for my theme for this bundle, I wanted a clueless / kind of Velma look, because I really like turtlenecks. As you can see, I'm literally wearing one right now, and kind of the more preppies 90s look. And so I said kind of turtlenecks, plaid skirts, plaid trousers, button-ups, slip dresses, etc. And then I'm also obsessed with the 60s and 70s, but I kind of wanted something a little bit more modernized, so a 90s to 60s, 70s, cute plaid mod dresses and bell-bottom jeans. As for accessories, I like layering necklaces, and I really been wanting a pant chain. I've been wanting a pant chain for a while. I don't know why I haven't gotten one yet, but want one of those. And then as for, I don't like low-rise pants, chokers, or bodycon dresses, because I don't really like, the really curve hugging stuff. And then low-rise pants, obviously, since I'm kind of chub, I don't really like anything that goes below my waist. I like stuff that's really high up here. And then I don't like chokers just because I don't like the look on them on me. I don't know why. Then my sizes, and then also I can't wear anything too revealing because I want to be able to wear this stuff to school. That's practically it. Kind of all over the place as of theme, but I was give her multiple options. So let's get to unboxing this. Wow. Okay, I'm literally so excited. Okay, let's open you. My goodness, I'm so scared. There is so much stuff in here. Oh my god. I got a teddy. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so the first thing that popped up at me was, oh, this is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's a little backpack. Hopefully this fits me. I have really big shoulders, and it has a zip and I hear stuff in it, so maybe... Oh, I think the accessory is in here. Okay, perfect. Oh, wow. Inside was this. I think this is a pant chain. It's really cute and tiny. It's really dainty, actually. I love this. That's so cute. Oh, yay. Okay, this is another ball chain item. I think, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this will fit perfectly with this. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Okay, yeah, they're butterfly clips in orange and pink, which I love that. I love this. Oh, and red. Lied. Red too. I like that color combination. And on for the clothes. Okay, I got turtleneck. Yes, I love turtlenecks so much. Literally, I'm obsessed with them. It is this gorgeous purple turtleneck. Okay, this is super orange. What are you? Okay, I think this is an off-the-shoulder orange shirt. This kind of gives off the Velma look I was looking for, and the first one was kind of more clueless, but it's this really soft off the shoulder. I think it's a 3/4 sleeve shirt. That's gonna be exciting to wear. Okay, who are you? Ooh, it's just a kind of nice ribbed sweater-like tank top. That's fun. It kind of looks exactly like what I'm wearing right now, except just without the turtleneck and without sleeves. Oh, is this a skirt? Is this a skirt? Yes! Oh my gosh. I love this. I love the little belt buckles on the side. Oh my gosh, I like the color too. It's super fun. It's pleated. I love plaid skirts. I don't own actually that many because I can never find ones I like in my size. With the, what's it called? Pleated look that I like. So that's always fun. More turtleneck. Yes. Okay, so we got another turtleneck with no sleeves. This is another skirt. Another skirt. Yes. I love skirts. I love skirts so much, and this is a pleated black schoolgirl skirt. And who are you? Jean skirt. I loved. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the pockets on it. I love it. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if like my camera's focused or not, so like if I'm looking like this into the camera, that's me just trying to see if it's focused. I think it is. I think it is. Okay. Jean skirt. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. What are you? I think this is just black turtleneck. Yes. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is like totally 90s does 60s. It's a very cute little tank top with like a fun little pattern on it. Can you see that? Yeah, I think so. I love this. Oh, this is gonna be really cute during the summer. Or I can layer it over a white turtleneck, make it look good. Then one of the second to last things. Oh my gosh, another plaid skirt. Yes, love it. Oh, I love the little buttons. This is super cute. I'll have to see if these skirts are a little big on me because sometimes I have to take in my skirts because I have like a weird shaped body. So like, okay, what is this? Okay, this is just a orange shirt. I think it'll go well with like anything in here, honestly. It's gonna take forever to try on. There's so much clothes. Oh my god. So I have the first outfit on. I could not get this on for some reason. I think I just need help tying it in the back. So like imagine both of these necklaces layered, the eyebrow pendant and this. Amazing, love it. But I just couldn't get it on. So I got the butterfly clips in. I love the butterfly clips. I own a bunch, but I don't own any this big. Like all of mine are like really super duper tiny, but these are huge and I like kind of take the big look. And for this top, I adore the cut on it. I like the 3/4 sleeve. It's like really, you know, like form flattering, but like, you know, not too tight. Big fan. Except I just like don't know how to wear the neckline. Like it's a fun, super fun neckline. And I just don't know how to wear it. And then this skirt, I didn't even mention it. I think it's dead stock. Either it's like brand new, like just like, you know, a modern skirt, or it's like dead stock and it's like in really nice condition. Like it still has a tag on it. Big fan. It fits me really well. It's like actually like I have some growing room in there too, so if like I wanted to wear it lower down I could. But I like to wear my skirts a little bit more high-waisted, but I dig it. It's not too short in the back. Like I can wear it to school. I can like, you know, freely move around in it. You know, I don't know what I'm doing. Now for this one, I love the shirt. I literally own a shirt almost exactly like this, just that's a little lighter and in yellow. Love the skirt. I dig the outfit. Super fun, super cute, and it goes all really well with my like my eyebrow pendant because it kind of just like matches the like aesthetic. You get me, vibe? You get it? Yeah, yeah. Okay, on to the next outfit. Okay, so here's the next outfit. I adore this outfit. This skirt is probably my favorite thing in the bundle. I put my own little black headband with it. You can't really see it because like my hair at the top is black. So I'm dyeing my hair like next week back to brown. So like this will look really good with brown hair. The black headband. You can actually see it. And it goes longer in the back. It just, you can't see it because my hair. I love this turtleneck. It's super soft. I love the neck on it. It's like actually like a turtleneck. Like if I pulled it up, it would like, you know, go all the way up here. But I'm not gonna do that. This skirt is amazing. The belt loops are wondrous. They're probably my favorite thing about it. Now to the next outfit. This is the next skirt. It's probably the biggest out of them. It's really stretchy though, so I'll just probably have to take it in a little bit just so I ensure that it doesn't fall down on me. But I adore it. I love these little things. It's not pleated, so it's a little bit more form-fitting, but I kind of dig it. It's more pencil-like. Kind of makes me feel like a teacher. And it's a little more 60s too, since it's like straight and not as pleated. And I kind of did that. And then I put this just like white headband with it, and I kept the shirt on because it looks cute. And then I got these kind of, you know, kind of groovy, you know, kind of fun. And for the next outfit, I love this one. I love the shirt. And I put my own like woven brown belt right here because I thought that would look super cute. Kept the eyebrow pendant on because of course. Then I put my own little beret. I love berets and I love hats, so I thought it would look really cute. I low-key look like a background character in like a Cinderella story, you know, like the one with Hilary Duff in it. I don't know why, that's what it made me think of. And then these are like the extra shirts or the shirts that I haven't tried on yet. This is the Lavender Turtleneck. I dig it. I popped on some like cute little lavender like just like barrettes to put with it. Purple used to be like my favorite color when I was younger. I don't wear it as much anymore, so like looking cute. Don't know what that pose was, but it was something. And finally, the last outfit. I was gonna wear this with the black pleated skirt like she said, but I realized I forgot to put on the pant chain, so I put on the one with belt. Oops. It's super cute. Really big fan of it, super dainty, so it'll probably go with almost everything I wear. And I'm probably not the biggest fan of the sleeves on this, but I think maybe I'll tailor it a little bit because I don't really know if I like the bulky sleeve, but maybe I'll fall in love with it. I don't know. And the black turtleneck, I mean, it's a black turtleneck. It's super soft, super comfortable, pretty form-fitting, you know, it's nice, comfy, and then black with the skirt again. Okay, so I finally finished trying on every single outfit. Well, not every single one, most of them at least, because there was like 20 other outfit combinations I could have done, and also that she put in the letter, which was, oh my gosh, it's so huge. Literally amazing. Yeah, I didn't try on all the outfits she suggested. I just tried on almost every single piece, I think. So there were 4 skirts, 7 tops, 4 different accessories. So 15 items in total for around $70 US. I mean, that's a pretty good deal. 15 items, it's crazy. Probably, I think, the best value for a styled bundle on Depop, or probably on any website. This is probably the best one you can get. It's crazy how many items it comes with. She did both my themes like so perfectly. I don't know why I'm using my hands so much, but it's because I'm excited. It's because I'm just so excited. I love everything. I cannot rave enough about this. It's so good. You should go get one. Here is her Depop shop. It's wonderful. Not only does she sell bundles, she also sells stuff like individually, and they're all super cool, super fun, and yeah, go buy one right now. Wink wink. Anyways, just like grabbed one. Oh my gosh, I didn't even show you. I got a new piercing like right here, and it's really nice. First helix one, really exciting. Now I have 9. I don't know where this fits into this conversation. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to make some more videos in the next following weeks. I'll probably push out maybe 1 or 2 more. And yeah, I hope you have a great holiday season and a great winter break if you're on it. And if you don't celebrate the holidays, just like have a good rest of your year before 2020, am I right? I'll see you guys later. Bye!